5 best lose belly fat workouts for beginners. If you keep buying clothes because the ones you bought 5 months ago no longer fit you, you may have a weight problem. If your self-esteem is low and you lack self-confidence because you can't seem to get rid of your belly fat, you have a weight problem. If all the above seem like somebody is talking about you, don't worry, you are not alone. And there are solutions. Yes, you can do something about your belly fat, but it will take time and some effort on your part. Here are 5 workout routines to address your stubborn belly fat. They are easy exercises that any beginner can adapt to and perform easily. Cardio. Cardio is arguably one of the most effective ways to burn calories and shed the excess fat from your body. Among the different forms of cardio exercise, the easiest and yet very effective is walking. A healthy diet, coupled with walking about 30 to 45 minutes at least 4 days a week, will surely help you achieve your ideal body. The best thing about this low-impact exercise is that it can boost your metabolism and heart rate, while giving you the advantage of lower risk of injuries. Rolling plank. This exercise targets the muscles in your abdomen, lower back, and hips. To do this exercise, begin by lying on your stomach, with your forearms folded in front of your chest, and positioned parallel to the edge of your yoga mat. While keeping your head aligned with your spine, press up to perform a forearm plank. Next, shift your body's weight into your left forearm, and drive your right elbow up and back, opening to a side plank with your feet staggered. Get back to your starting position and do the same movement on the opposite side. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions while alternating sides. Bicycle crunches. Begin by lying on the floor and keeping your hands behind your head as you perform crunches. Raise both of your legs and bend them at your knees. Next, bring your left knee close to your chest, while keeping your right leg out. Next, take your left leg out and then bring your right knee close to your chest. Alternate this movement as if you are pedaling on a bicycle. Vertical leg crunch. Do this exercise by lying flat on the floor, and then extend your legs towards the ceiling, with one knee crossed over the other. Lift your upper body towards your pelvis while breathing in, and then breathe out slowly. Perform about 12 to 16 crunches. Captain's chair. As the name suggests, you would need a chair for this exercise. Start by sitting on a stable chair while keeping your shoulders relaxed and your spine straight. Position your hands by the side of your hips with your palms facing downwards. Breathe in deeply. Next, as you breathe out, lift your legs upwards, bringing your knees to your chest. Hold this position for about 5 seconds. Make sure that you don't arch your back or bend forward. Finally, bring down your legs slowly and repeat this movement. One of the best ways to lose belly fat is through regular exercise. If you are serious about your weight loss goals, your healthy diet is not sufficient. Make sure that you allot an hour, or at least 30 minutes daily, 5 or 6 times weekly to workout or exercise routines. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.